Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play with Pokemon in Pokemon Go. If you are new to this feature or just want to know more about it, then let's dive in. First, open up your Pokemon Go app. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, tap on the Pokeball at the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Then select Pokédex to choose a Pokemon you want to interact with. Once you've chosen your Pokemon, tap on its profile. You'll see an option called Play, then simply tap on that. This will take you to a screen where you can interact with your Pokemon. You can pet, feed, and play minigames with them. To pet your Pokemon, simply swipe on the screen. You can also feed them berries by tapping on the berry icon. Playing minigames is a fun way to bond with your Pokemon, so you can just simply follow the on-screen instructions to play. Don't forget to check back regularly, as your Pokemon will respond differently based on how often you interact with them. And that's it. Playing with your Pokemon is a great way to increase your happiness and strengthen your bond. I hope you find this guide helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Pokemon Go tips and tricks.